So at the end of May, as you know, 2024, the World Health Assembly intend to meet and actually pretend that there is a consensus to adopt amendments to the international health regulations, the WHO's Pandemic Preparedness, Prevention and Response Treaty, and the continued fraudulent extraction of wealth from nations and men and women in payment of alleged debt. I'm making this appeal on behalf of all men and women of all nations and regarding all the notices, formal statements, letters and legal proceedings as cases that have been neither acknowledged nor replied to, which shows that there's no consensus. Unelected officials of the international organisations based in Geneva are actually seen as criminals who believe they have diplomatic immunity. By filing this statement of claim, I request that personal liability is assigned by the law of your court and all assets, pandemic funds and other monies and property are seized and returned to the people by way of public banks. As this decision should mark the end of usury, all property and territories should pass back to the full sovereignty and other bonds made on each life returned to the people. This is because men and women are ready and should be the stewards of this process, and they're ready already.
The road ahead may be fraught with obstacles, but Francis's indomitable spirit refuses to yield. With your support, we can stand shoulder to shoulder with this modern-day hero as she leads us towards a future where justice reigns supreme. She has asked for the urgent suspension of the World Health Assembly voting on the IR amendments and pandemic treaty in May. It is a public interest case, but there may still be costs. Join Francis in her quest for an urgent referendum and a brighter tomorrow. Your contribution can turn the tide for the protection of our freedom, dignity, and collective future.